Hello guys, in this session I'm going to show you how to take subsite backup and restore a subsite or site collection. You can see here this is my site collection name backup, and here site content there is my subsite demo, and in subsite there is some documents in document library. First create one backup folder. See, this is my backup folder. There is one backup file. I'm going to delete this one. This is clean now. So open SharePoint management cell and run as administrator. Yes. First we need to take backup from this subsite. So export sp web identity, and identity should be your subsite URL. Path, specify your backup path. So my backup path is C backup, and I will create subsite.cmp. This cmp, it will compress the file size, include versions all. If there is the versioning enabled in subsite, it will export all versions, and include security. If there is some permission or security features, it will export all security the properties. Hit enter. Okay, command is finished and there is no error, no warning, so I think this is fine. Just check here. Yeah, there is files. So now we need to create one subsite or site collection. So new sp web, I will create subsite http sp16/sites, and backup is my site. I will create subsite inside this backup sites. Restore. Hit enter. So it will take some time to create new subsite. Yeah, it is created, and now import this exported file to new site. Import sp web identity and enter your target URL http sp16 sites backup and restore. Our backup path is C backup and restore or subsite.cmp. Hit enter. The command is finished. Now try to browse this created subsite, or this is our home page. So site content, there should be new subsite. This is subsite. First go to site collection and site content. There is subsite. There is, and here again new one 1 minute ago. There is the documents. The site name is restore, and all the site setting and site description and site name it took from the exported site. Now I'm going to create site collection. We have successfully created subsite and restored from exported content. Now I am going to create site and restore from exported content. So first create site collection. My web app is fine. Restore sites, restore team site, and this is my user. Okay, ESP16 sites and restore is created. Now run import and target URL is, and this is my site slash restore, and my backup path is some site. Okay, hit enter. It will take few minutes to restore to new site. Okay, the command is finished and there is no error or warning. So now I'm going to browse the site demo, and there is the documents, and this is site restore. Now we successfully restore our subsite to site collection by this exported content. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.